Good morning. Sa lahat ng mga nagre-request kung ano ang opinion ko dun sa nangyaring rally ng INC at ng iba't ibang grupo, at syempre yung pasabog ni Senator, the good Senator, ay ni Romualdez Marcos. At may nag-request pa na baka pwede magbigay ako ng maiksing opinion. Binola ka ako. Pandemic hero ka, pwede magbigay ka ng maiksing opinion. Mas maniniwala kami sa iyo kasi may ginawa ka. Sige. Ito na ho yung opinion ko at abangan nyo na lang ito sa aking YouTube channel, Francis Leo Marcos Official. Ipopost ko po ito. Okay. Let me get this straight. A supposed bombshell revelation of Saldico against the president. Yes. Number one, a supposed bombshell revelation of Saldico, the former congressman of Ako Bicol Party List, against the president. Okay. Number two, a 2 days instead of 3 days intensive rally from INC, GIL, and other groups. Number three, a damning allegation from presidential sister, okay, Senator Amy Romualdez Marcos, of a drug abuse and drug dependency against President and his wife, the First Lady Lisa Marcos Araneta, and of course their son, Congressman Sandro Marcos. You know, a beginning of rumors of a coup d'etat, a call for the president's resignation, the succeeding resignation or termination of cabinet secretaries, and the continued critique of the alleged corruption of the senators and congressmen and Senate of the Philippines and the House of Representatives of the Philippines. Of course, and the office of the President of the Philippines, Malacanang, is still held by the President Bongbong Marcos today. Grabe, no? Sa kabila ng ginawa nilang lahat, ang namumuno pa rin sa Malacanang ay si President Bongbong Romualdez Marcos Jr. You know, this president does not seem so weak, or doesn't seem to be weak. Why? That ICC incarcerated former President Roddy Duterte said he is. You know, this president, you do not hear this president being quoted in media, spewing political hatred against critics and detractors. Narinig niyo ba siya? Do you ever heard that the president is spewing political hatred against his critics and detractors on the mainstream media? No. You do not hear this man defending himself against his system. You do not hear this president making threats to others the way you heard from the previous administration.